In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create webhooks on Discord Mobile. A webhook is a simple way for other apps and services to send messages into a specific channel on your Discord server. On mobile, the clearest path to create one is through your phone's web browser because it gives you access to the full set of server settings. Start by opening your mobile browser and heading to discord.com, then sign into your account. If the site looks too simplified and you don't see the options we're about to use, open your browser menu and switch to the desktop site view. This makes all the server settings available, similar to what you'd see on a computer. Once you're signed in, navigate to the server where you want the webhook. Open the server list, tap the server's icon, and then tap the server name at the top to bring up the menu. From there, go into server settings. If you don't see server settings, you might not have the right permissions, and you'll need someone with admin or manage webhooks permission to proceed. Inside server settings, scroll until you find integrations. Tap integrations and then choose webhooks. You should see an option to create or add a new webhook. Tap create webhook. On the webhook creation screen, give your webhook a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. Choose the channel where messages from this webhook should appear. You can change this at any time if you need to. You can also set a custom avatar to help distinguish messages posted by this webhook from other bots or users in your server. When you're happy with the name, channel, and avatar, save your changes. After you save, you'll see the webhook's unique URL. This is the address that other services will use to deliver messages into your chosen channel. Treat this URL like a password. Anyone who has it can post to that channel. Keep it private, store it securely, and only share it with trusted tools. If the URL ever leaks or you want to stop its access, you can return to this same webhooks section in integrations to edit or delete the webhook. That's all there is to it. To recap the path: mobile browser, discord.com, your server, server settings, integrations, and create webhook. With that set up, you're ready to connect your favorite services and have them post updates directly into your Discord channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your webhook created on mobile quickly and safely.